Quick video of this Yamaha. I think it's a Warrior 350 or 300 or something like that. But quick, cables aren't hooked up to this starter solenoid or whatever it's called right here. I forget what it's called. Anyway, it's like a relay for your starter. Everything. Starter wire. There's a bracket. I don't know how it goes. There's bolts in there for the battery, I believe. I don't know. Don't know what this is. But yeah, plastics are all, looks like the majority are here. I don't have the plastic for this piece. This is loose. It's all loose. Looks like the bolts are there. So put it on. Look at this plastic broke right here from there. It broke. Key is here. I haven't tried starting it whatsoever, but just gonna make a quick mental note. I'm gonna take this bolt out here, take this bolt out here, and that should be able to take off the whole bracket. The brakes is just hanging here. Again, this is how I got the bike. No air filter. The filter box thing is not even hooked up really. As you can see, it's not hooked up. Again, I think this is a Warrior 350 or something, a Raptor, whatever. I don't know. But yeah, anyways. Handlebars bent. I had to put this on here so the water don't get in the tank while it's sitting outside. Yeah, first thing you do is try to get all back together, get the wiring all fixed up, and see if it starts and turns over. I was told just to get it running. That's it.